Serving is an art. Talking is an art. Walking is an art. Combing is an art. Dressing is an art. Eating is an art. Living with somebody is an art. More you express, more you will have joy. Now I am coming to the main point. What is the meaning of living also is an art? Now this is a little serious topic. I live in this world not with the carpet, and not with the car, and not with your washing machine, and not with your vacuum cleaner. That is, they don't give any trouble. Even if they give trouble, you can go and get them some service, or you can remove them. If your vacuum cleaner is giving trouble, you can discard them, or you can purchase a new one, or repairing bhi to ho sakte hain. They can be repaired or not. Huh? Okay, so you can get for repair. It is not with the people around. When you live with the people, you can't give the repair. Well, isko repairing ke liye isko. How do you discard this person? Get out. Scrap mein bhe diya isko. Or I will not use him. Put in the corner. We'll purchase a new. Get the new wife. Yeah, ठीक नहीं निकली. ठीक नहीं निकली वाली. पैक करके रख दो उसको. ऐसा नहीं होगा. When it comes to mind level, living with the mind and your typical complicated mind, and with others' complicated mind, these two, and there are others also, then to ho gaya. Then to express your thoughts, so that thought creates joy and harmony. That is called art and living. What is this art and living? Please get my point. It may appear difficult, but you have to hear it. There is nobody corresponding to that person. You have a thought which gives you problem. Because person doesn't give you problem. It is my thought with respect to person that gives me problem. But he said like that. No, it is not what he said. How you interpret it will give you problem. It is your interpretation that gives you problem. Person has not he cannot give you directly problem unless you interpret it in such a manner. He will say simple thing, and if you don't like that simple words, becomes big. The best way to live in the life is, please expect lot of surprises from the world, and many of them will be unpleasant. You expect lot of surprises, but make your surprise a prize. Outer surprise is inner prize. I will make a thought that his surprise will not it will not take away the art of thinking from me. My thoughts are not in a jugglery or not in a mess. Anything which is inside you is out of your control. Anything outside is under your control. If any person has got inside, is out of your control. Issue has gone inside, you have lost your control. Art of living is not losing control over the things or emotions, over your thoughts on somebody. You are in a commanding position. You are in a driver's seat still. Therefore, if you want to control anybody, keep him outside your mind. Let him not become your ugliness, anti-art. Then you say, no, I can't live with him. It only means you don't have an art of living with him.